What's up guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to make text highlight effect in Capcut Mobile. So stick around to the end to get all the steps needed to make this happen. So here at the bottom we're going to look for text and we're going to click on add text. Then we're going to use about 3 or 4 underscores. And then at the bottom we're going to look for style. Here we have style, and the first thing we're going to do is to change the color from white to yellow. So right now the size of the text is really small, so we're going to increase the size. Then we're going to drag it over to where we want it to highlight. So we're putting it over there. So that looks nice for now. We're going to go over to animations now. And then under animations, we're going to look for wipe right. So here we're going to select wipe right. Now you can see the effect taking place. However, the text is covered. So we're going to do something to the opacity of the text. So in order to do this, we're going to go back to styles. And then here under size, we can see opacity. So we're going to slide it to the left. And as you can see, the opacity is now allowing us to see the text with the highlight. We're going to decide to move it to the left again. And then we're going to bring this down by clicking here. And once we expand it, we're going to press play. Very good. However, we need to also go back to animations to set the timing of the animation. So after tapping on it, we're going to click on text style again. Then we'll go to animations. And right here, we could use the slider here to adjust the duration. So now it's currently at 2.2 seconds, and now it's a bit slower. However, if we want to make it a bit more, we could make it 2.7 or 3 seconds. So we're going to drop this down again by clicking on this icon over here. And then we're going to expand it by clicking on the expand icon over here. And now when we go back to the beginning and we press play, we can now see that our text is highlighted. So we're going to minimize this. So of course, if you want to highlight another area, you could go ahead again and click on add text, put the underscore, and follow the same steps to have exactly what we did at the first step. After you're satisfied, you could of course click on export and have your video ready. So this is how to make text highlight effect in Capcut Mobile.